Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of CanCookin with Unkle Stinger. Today we're going to make a great game day snack made with 3 easy ingredients: rotel, sausage, and sour cream. Super delicious. Remove the rack out of here because we don't need that guy. Don't need those. I'm going to brown the sausage 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to stir it up, get it going here. Get her in here. Get all that out of there. 2 pounds of sausage. All right, now that I got the sausage in there, I'm going to go ahead and light this baby up. This is the multi-fuel. Oh yeah, we're on. Medium to low heat, 5 to 10 minutes is all you need. Anything more than that, you'll scorch it up. It's already smelling good. Okay guys, now that I've got her browned up really nice, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients here. We'll get all these mixed together in here and be ready to throw down. Rotel. Smells good. Tell you what, man. This isn't just for the shop here. This is for the tailgates. This is for fishing on the bank. You pull up there, put it in your boat. Have you a shore lunch? I mean, I've done it many ways. Use this in many places. It's great. Let that all cook together now. Put the lid back on, let her simmer a little bit. And then it's going to be time to go. Okay guys, got her thickening up. While that's doing that, I'm going to break out my chips, man, and get ready. I'm ready to go here. It smells great. I wish you could smell through the camera. Stir her up here. Thickening up pretty good. Like I said, these recipes, just tweak them how you want them. Like I said, I like the sour cream. It's takes a little bit more for me to get it thickened up. It's your recipe. You got the base recipe. You can just build off of that. Tweak it how you want. You might want those jalapenos in here. I don't know. But with a cold beverage and some football going, it's going to be good either way. I can promise you that. Okay, guys, it's time to get us a bowl of this goodness. Got football on the TV. And some delicious that's a game day winner right there. We'll see you guys next time on CanCookin with Unkle Stinger.